It's heavy, guys. It's heavy, guys. How? Evan, Kanti, what did Nizam Kunu do now? Oh shit! Apparently, Nizam Kunu saying that Papa Penny allegedly he's gay. Yeah, man. Papa Penny allegedly he's gay. I didn't say that. Nizam said that. Nizam Kunu said that. He said Papa Penny is gay. Hey, hi, shit like that. But Nizam is crazy, man. Nizam is crazy and he's funny at the same time. He's saying that Papa Penny is a tribalist. He's a tribalist because Nizwe went to Eastern Cape regarding the saga of a Nigerian king. The Nigerian king. Imagine here in South Africa, we're gonna have a Nigerian king. So Nizwe was like, yeah, yakwazulu kwenzeke. Angeke. That's what he said, but not KwaZulu. Eastern Cape lapha emaXhoseni nje wathi ngeke kwenzeke. Ngeke emaXhoseni kwenzeke. Angeke. That's what Ngizwe said. And then Papa Penny criticized his method and he was like, he's racist, he's what, whatsoever. And then Ngizwe responded, what, yeah, when it's stubborn? Actually, there's a video. Let me pull it up. Yeah, there's a video. I don't want to talk about something that people think I'm just crazy. No, because there's an actual video of Ngizwe Kunu saying that. I actually saw it today. Where is it? Where is that damn thing? You see now? My shit are not in order, man. Oh, here it is. I found it. I'll put it up in post.
Bulela nyovu wena sunwenja wesitabane uyisitabane wena sitabane kodwa ngathele Papa Penny nekhwapha ikhopha lakho selinginukele kwanele ikhopha elixhophayo lele ngathi lika anyanisi ikhopha lika fish fuck you uyinja ithini lenja lokisa hey Papa Penny you touch someone you touch me Fuseko nasitabane seshangane Fuseko nasitabane wena ufuna ube isitabane na Papa Penny ngibona ngaleli igota leli lifaka ekhanda ngibulela nyovu wena sunwenja wesitabane uyisitabane wena sitabane kodwa sak how kirubela karuna karina ubulela nyovu wena Papa Penny akekho ngazi ukuthi njoba sikhulekela ubunye silwela ubunye thina siyinto eyodwa njengoba siphuma Eastern Cape nje ekebe sidile nematha ese Eastern Cape ngendlela esidile ngawo nayo akekho umuntu ocwaswayo why you are becoming so sensitive uma umuntu okhuluma nje nani manikhuluma nithi you touch Shanganezi you touch me senisaba nje igama elikela show umuntu wakwaZulu elithi Shangane siyezaka lapha eLimpopo abantu baseLimpopo namashangane funa amazi uPapa Penny uyena otribalist ngoba usensitivity yakhe yonke into uyayistabilizer ufuna bese ngathi kuliwa namashangane there's nothing like that sengikhathele uPapa Penny nekhwapha ikhopha lakho selinginukele kwanele ikhopha elixhophayo lele ngathi lika anyanisi ikhopha lika fish fuck you uyinja.
It happened where in Eastern Cape they wanted how can I put it? They wanted to put a Nigerian king in the Eastern Cape. Ain't that some bullshit? Hell yeah, that's bullshit, man. Next thing, when we talk about stuff like this, they're gonna be like we are xenophobic. Nah, nigga, fuck that. How can we have a Nigerian king in South Africa? Who does that? We gotta ban shit, man. We're gonna ban shit. I fully support Ngizwe on that statement. But in terms of Papa Penny being gay and stuff like that, hey man, let me just say the signs are there, but I don't know. Because we all know, man, there are so many grown-up niggas old men that are getting fucked in the ass, man. And it's funny. Imagine a whole grown up nigga getting fucked in the ass. What? What? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Who does that? I'm not saying he did and I'm not saying he is, but I'm just saying there are certain old ass men that would settle for a dick. I'm like, what the fuck? Why would you even do that, man?
Trejo Tebucho from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung.
We live in a world where the system and capitalism turns a blind eye on its hoi polloi. As we all know that nothing is permanent, I welcome you all to the Lang Tray segment where we're gonna talk, share, listen and laugh if it's laughable. So sit back, relax. I'm your host, Trejo Tebo here. See you soon.